Now that we are familiar with the component parts of the system, let's see how they connect, what to inspect, and how to adjust them for operation. Beginning with the pump, make a visual inspection of the electrical cords or air supply lines, the remote control, the hydraulic hoses and connectors, gauges, and the general condition of the pump, looking for any damage or irregularities. Check the level and the condition of the oil in the reservoir. Remember, clear and amber colored, and do not overfill. Ensuring that your glasses and gloves are in place, connect the pump to its power supply. With the couplers pointing away from any persons, turn on the motor using the remote control. Look and listen for anything out of the ordinary. Press the remote control switch or button, pressurizing the pump, and cycle it a few times, noting the pressure quickly registering on the gauge. Each time you release the button, the gauge will read about 1000 psi, indicating the return pressure. This is controlled by an internal limit valve which you cannot change. Hold the control button down for about 15 seconds. The pressure on the gauge should hold steady as long as you hold the button down. If the needle bounces or the pressure bleeds off, there may be internal problems which require service. At this point, shut the pump off and check for leaks. With the hoses already attached to the pump, all we have to do is connect the wrench. With the wrench in a stable place, not attached to a bolt, press and release the remote actuator button several times and observe the hoses stiffen and the wrench ratchet. If the hoses stiffen and the pump pressurizes, but the wrench does not ratchet, check the couplers. One has loosened or was not fully engaged. Hold the button down for about 10 seconds and again make sure that the gauge comes up to pressure and holds steady, and that there are no leaks in the system. You are now ready to go to work.